guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! So for today's vlog, I'm going to show you how do I spend my weekends. And there's a twist or there's a challenge. I will challenge myself not to talk in the entire video in my entire vlog. So let's see if you will keep on watching. So makita naman na sa people retention dira sa YouTube studio, no? Ang mga reviews about ani. So let's see if you will keep on watching even if I am not talking in my vlog. Okay, let's start. And also I would like to apologize sa akong nang because wala pa ko ligo. So mara to, sorry sa akong nang batikig nang ron. And lastly, I would like to thank all my subscribers. Thank you so much for my 110 subscribers. You really made me happy, and also you made me continue doing this one. So thank you so much, and I hope that you will still support me and you will still watch my vlogs, future vlogs. Thank you so much. So finally, magsugod na jud atong vlog, okay? Love you. Hi guys, so I'm ready at home and I am done taking my dinner. I'm done taking a bath and also dressing up. As you can see that I am so ready to go to sleep. But before I will end this vlog, I would like to share what I have realized and learned after making this vlog. So as you all know, I am not allowed to talk or communicate with the people around me, and it is really a challenge. It is just like experiencing what mute and deaf people are experiencing. They're having a hard time to communicate with other people. They are having a hard time to express themselves. So I have already experienced what they have experienced, no? I was acting like a mute person. I was also acting like a deaf person, and it's very hard. So I would like to give a piece of advice to all that we should be sensitive always. We must not make a joke and make fun of them, because that is very disrespectful, and I would like to encourage everyone to be sensitive enough to be always respectful and be kind to other people no matter what they are. Okay, so we should also treat deaf and mute people like they are not different. They are just normal people. We must not have that communication barrier. I would also like to express how happy and proud I am for those who are studying how to do sign language, because with that they are breaking the communication barriers. They are trying to learn how to communicate properly for those who are mute and deaf. So kudos to all of you, and I hope that you will continue to inspire other people, and you should use that instrument in order for you to inspire those who are deaf and mute, that they are not different. They are just the same with us. They are normal people. So thank you so much for those people. I'm so proud and happy for you. Thank you so much. Okay, so that's it. That's all what I have learned and realized after making this vlog, and I hope that you've learned something from this vlog also. So if you have also realizations, you can drop your comments in the comment section. And pasensya na mo if na yung mga grammatical errors. I'm not a good speaker, Biyajud, but I am trying my best here. No, this will serve as my practice in speaking in English. No, so okay na guys. Nobody is perfect. For those wala pa naka-subscribe sa akong channel, please subscribe my channel now. Kay makatabang rin yun mo, makapatugod na may balay papuyon dyan ka dira. Okay, so thank you so much for those who watch my vlog. Thank you. Until sa akong next vlog guys, I love you all. Bye bye.